Hi, welcome along, and in today's video we're going to be going back to 1964 with a song that I've been currently teaching my one-to-one students. This is a song by the Beatles called And I Love Her. It's a beautiful song. Do hope you enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to click like and subscribe, as it helps me grow the channel, which in turn helps me bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So in this video I'm going to be showing you literally the whole thing, chords, little riffs that go on inside the song, the guitar solo, absolutely everything. So stick around right to the end, and if you're ready, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right then, And I Love Her. Let's get stuck in. So first off, let's take you through the strum pattern. Now, what's going on here is down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. There are places in this song where it leaves off the up at the end. So that will just be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. I'll explain as we go. Right, chords we need are F sharp. So for the intro, we're going to need an F sharp minor and an E. So they are the chords for the intro. So this is down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, E. And then it's straight into the song. So that's the intro. You'll probably hear a riff like this that goes like this. So let me show you how that's done. So first off, we've got our second finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and then we're just going to go directly below to the 2nd fret of the D string. So we've got, and then we're going to go to the 1st fret of the D string. So we've got, and then we're going to go on the 4th fret of the A string. And it does that twice. So that happens over the 4 bars I've just played for you, which is the F sharp minor twice and the E twice. So it'll go do 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 do. So sorry, do 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 do. F sharp minor. Do 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 do. Bam 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 bam, and then straight into the song. So just one more time for you. Then we're going to go. So that's 2nd fret A string, 2nd fret D string, 1st fret D string, and then 4th fret of the A string. So there we go. So that's the intro for you, so you can do that. Like I said, strum pattern, down, 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 up, or down, 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 up, down. F sharp minor, if you didn't already know, just for those beginners, let's take you through that quickly. Bar rules, all 6 strings on the 2nd fret, and we're going to have our 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the A string, and our little finger just below that on the 4th fret of the D string. That's an F sharp minor. So for the verse of the song, we've got this chord I'm showing you right now, F sharp minor, and then we're going to move up to 4th position, the 4th fret, and we're going to have our fingers, our 2nd finger on the 5th fret of the B string, our 3rd finger on the 6th fret of the D string, and just below that with our little finger, we're going to have our little finger on the G string, 6th fret. That gives us what's known as a D flat minor. So the majority of the first verse goes F sharp minor, D flat minor, F sharp minor, D flat minor, F sharp minor, D flat minor, A, and then you've got a choice to make. You can either keep going and go B, or you can come down to the 2nd fret and bar the strings with your either your 3rd finger or your little finger to get a B down here, a B chord, B major chord down here. So that'll leave me like this. Or you can use your little finger, and I always use my 3rd finger to help the little finger down. So try not to play, if you're going to do it this way, try not to play the first string because that will give you what's known as a B6. So let me just take you through that. So the verse goes F sharp minor first. So down, down, up, down. F sharp minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. D flat minor. Back up to D flat minor, F sharp minor. A, la la la, B, and back to E. Right, let me show you the other way. Here we go. F sharp minor, D flat minor, F sharp minor, D flat minor, F sharp minor, D flat minor, A, B, E. And that is how you play the verses. Now there is a key change, we will get to that. So, but this first off, we'll deal with the bridge. The bridge is the bit that goes, "A love like ours will never die." If you know the song, that's the bridge bit. The bridge bit starts off with a D flat minor. So same strum pattern. D flat minor to a B. Now I prefer to use this B for this part, so maybe that's a good idea for you. Again, you can go up here if you want to, but for this I'm going to try and keep it all local. So D flat minor, "A love like ours," this bit. D flat minor, and then we're going to, from there we're going to go up to an A flat minor. Now the way we're going to do that, just bring that up to the camera. We're going to bring our fingers up, but not the second finger. So what we've got essentially, remember when I showed you earlier on the F sharp minor? It's that shape, but on the 4th fret. Okay, so that's what's known as an A flat minor. So for the bridge, we're going to go D flat minor, B, D flat minor, A flat minor, back to D flat minor, A flat minor, B 2 3 4, B 2 3 4. Let's show you how that's done. So we've got 2 3 4, D flat minor, B, D flat minor, A flat minor, D flat minor, A flat minor, B, and B. Back to the verse. F sharp minor, D flat minor, F sharp minor, D flat minor, F sharp minor, D flat minor, A, and then up to the B, or this B if you want to, and then to E. So that is the bridge and the verses. The other thing I can show you is the key change. The key change goes up from the F sharp minor. It goes up a semitone from F sharp minor up to G minor. Now let me show you how that's done. So the F sharp minor, do you remember that shape? We're going to move that up. Now we're going to be in the 3rd position, and that's going to give us a G minor. So we're going to go G minor. Now, do you remember that D flat minor we did? We're going to move that up a semitone as well. So we've moved everything up a semitone. So we've gone from, so now we're going to be G minor, which is done on the 3rd fret. And we're going to be on the 5th fret for our D minor. Okay? So yeah. So the key change is G minor, D minor, G minor, D minor, G minor, D minor, then move it up one step, a semitone, and we're going to bring our fingers up. That's going to give us a B flat, and then we're going to keep going to the 8th fret. That's going to give us a C. That's what we want, and then down to the F, which is 1st position. So let's take you through that then. Okay, here we go. G minor, 2, 3, and then D minor, back to G minor, D minor, G minor, D minor, B flat and C and down to F. Okay, so then what we've got the outro. Now it's like, remember the thing we did that when, again, that's moved up a semitone as well. So now it's going to sound like, okay, so the reason, how we start that is, we started it originally on the 2nd fret, so now we're going to start it on the 3rd fret because we've gone up a semitone. So that's going to be 3rd fret, A string, 3rd fret, D string, 2nd fret, D string, and then 5th fret, A string. Sorry. Okay. So we've got the chords for the outro are G minor, ba 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 ba, ba ba ba, and then we've got F, 1st position, ba 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 ba, and then it does something really beautiful. It goes to a D, da da dum ba, for the uplift. Okay, so one more time, G minor, then we got F, then G minor, and then to D. Right, now, rewind. So that's the outro. So that is all the chords you need for And I Love Her. Let's get on with the little bits. Here we go. So what you're going to hear is, after the first verse, you're going to hear, so now we're going back to the F sharp minor. You're going to hear that. You're going to hear that, the picked out bit. The way that's done is, we're going to be up on the 9th fret, 1st finger, and then go up a string and go along a fret. So we're going to be 9th fret on the E string, 10th fret on the B string, 11th fret on the G string. And we're literally going to go 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. G, B, G, B, E, B. And then, so we've got that. And then we're going to bar on the 9th fret, G, B, and E. Again, the same pick. So that's how it's going to go. So it's going to go. And then imagine a D shape, D major shape, and that's going to be the 2nd finger on the 9th fret of the E string, 1st finger on the 9th fret of the G string, and 3rd finger on the 10th fret of the B string. And then we're going to slide that up, that shape up, so that our first 2 fingers are now in the 11th fret. So we've got, and then we're going to go back to that bar position on the 9th fret. So ba 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 ba. So let's go through that one more time. So we've got the 1st position, we've got, and then the bar position. Then the D shape. And that's how the picked bit is done. Now I'm going to show you how to do the guitar solo. show you how that's done. So that's the guitar solo. First of all, we're going to start off with 4th fret of the D string, and then we're going to go 1st and then 2nd fret of the G string, and then we're going to be 4th fret of the B string. So we've got with your 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the B string, and then we're going to slide up to the 5th fret of the B string. So we've got strike it when it's on the 4th fret, strike it on the 2nd fret of the B string, and then we're going to slide it up. So, and then when you get there, strike it again. Got it? Yeah. So let's take that again. So we've got and then we do it one more time, and then we pull down to the 2nd fret of the B string. So we've got, okay, so let's take you through the first 2 stages. So we've got up to the 5th fret of the B string, and then we do it mostly the same, but then we do the pull down. So 4th fret D, 1st, 2nd on the G, 4th fret of the B, and then we strike it and pull down to the 2nd, and then we do the first way we did it again, and then that brings us to the next bit, which is a 1st finger on the 5th fret, G string on the 6th fret, 7th fret of the D string. So we got, and then we're going to go 2nd finger on the 6th fret of the D string. So we're going from 7th to 6th. And then we've got that little pull down onto the 4th fret of the D string. So we're done there. So 5th fret of the B string, 6th fret of the G string, 7th fret of the D string, 6th fret of the D string, and then pull down. So now we're on the 4th fret of the D string. And then we got twice on the 2nd fret of the A string, once on the 4th fret of the A string, and then once on the 1st fret of the G string. So and then we've got the little rundown. Right, so that is 2nd fret A string, 4th fret E string, 2nd fret E string, and then we go, we strike the E string open twice, but then we hammer on. So go. So there we have it, And I Love Her by the Beatles. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any other song suggestions for songs you'd like me to take to pieces and show you how to play in another video. If you've liked today's video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me bring you more guitar-based tutorials. And also, if you'd like the opportunity to work one-to-one with me and have one-to-one Zoom lessons from my PC straight to yours, check out danielberryguitartutor.com for more details on how you can do that. I'd love to hear from you, and you can get in touch via www.danielberryguitartutor.com. So until we meet again, take good care of yourselves. I'll see you again soon. Thank you. Bye bye.